More reactions from the Bharatiya Janata Party after Congress's anti-Mandir remarks. BJP strikes Mandir baiters. Sudhanshu Trivedi says that the Congress and the opposition were against Pran Pratishtha as the Prime Minister who belongs to the OBC community did the puja. He further said in 2019 they opposed the judgment as well.
महत्वपूर्ण बात यह है कि यह बयान उनका ठीक महामहिम राष्ट्रपति द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी के राम मंदिर में दर्शन करने के एक दिन बाद आया है। यह सीधा सीधा भारत के एससी और एसटी समाज का घनघोर अपमान है और कांग्रेस के मन के अंदर का जो द्वेष भाव है, जो असली भाव है, वह उभर कर क्रमशः सामने आ रहा है। 2019 में जब जजमेंट आया तब भी कांग्रेस ने विरोध किया। प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी उसमें मुख्य भूमिका में थे, जो स्वयं ओबीसी समाज से आते हैं, तो उसका भी विरोध किया।
So you heard what Sudhanshu Trivedi had to say, slamming the opposition leaders who have questioned Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And in fact, Shivani is joining us with more on that. Shivani, Sudhanshu Trivedi says what Nana Patole said is objectionable, that the mandir will be purified if Congress comes to power. And he also is at this moment trying to draw parallels between the community that the Prime Minister has belonged to and the statements being given by the Congress leaders.
Swati, what Sudhanshu Trivedi just mentioned here in the BJP headquarters in a press conference, he said that Nana Patole says the mandir will be purified, and this statement of Nana has come a day after when President Draupadi Murmu had visited the Ram Mandir, and he said that it is an insult to the OBCs, the SC, STs, and Congress has not only been against Ram Mandir, but also now it is clearly against the backwards of the country. He also said that Congress was also against the Pran Pratishtha because Prime Minister Narendra Modi was performing all the rituals because he himself comes from the OBC's caste. So this is the kind of attack that has now come from the BJP on Nana Patole's statement. And not only this, Swati, we need to remember in the past few days there have been statements after statements that have come from the Congress party, and how revelations have been made from all those leaders who've left the Congress and come to BJP, including Radhika Kheda, when she revealed that they were told that you have to make such kind of statements against Ram and against Sanatan. So this is the kind of revelation and the debate that is going quite aggressive as the Lok Sabha elections are moving ahead, but definitely the BJP has lashed out at Nana Patole's statement.
Right, let's in fact listen into that statement when Nana Patole said that if they come to power, they'll conduct purification rituals of the temple.
राम मंदिर में शुद्धिकरण हम करेंगे और ये हमारा वक्तव्य नहीं है। हमारे देश के सनातन धर्म के हमारे मुखिया जो शंकराचार्य जी ने ये वक्तव्य को बार बार कहा है, और कांग्रेस पार्टी की सरकार जो इंडिया आघाड़ी की सरकार आई तो बिल्कुल मंदिर का शुद्धिकरण किया जाएगा, क्योंकि हमारे सनातन धर्म में घर में अगर माँ पिताजी कोई एक्सपायर्ड होते तो सर मुंडाना पड़ता है, पूरी विधियां होती है। लेकिन नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने वो न करते हुए जिस तरह से रामलला के प्राण प्रतिष्ठा की है, वो हमारे देश के हमारे शंकराचार्य ने भी उनका विरोध किया।